what's your favourite part of your job?
My favourite part of the job is actually something I get to do a lot of, and that's go to events. It's a double-edged sword. I love traveling. I don't like leaving my family, though. So the bigger the business has got, the further it takes me away from them. But I do really enjoy traveling. I enjoy seeing our members, seeing our, meeting new guests and new people in the field, catching up with team. It's one of my favorite parts of BX. And, at the end of the day, someone asked me once, if would you ever sell the business? Would you ever retire? I said, to be honest, I'd give up the management of the business pretty quickly. And all I do is travel and speak and go to events and meetings and things like that. I love that stuff. That's, engaging with the network is one of my favorite parts.
Yeah. So you're obviously extrovert because you love people.
I know.
I do love hearing and learning about people. And I'm super interested in people. But I do also like quiet time as well. But you get to talk to a lot of people. Like you must just have a desire to learn people and connect.
Yeah. I suppose, if you talk extrovert and introvert, you can sometimes introverts can appear an extrovert, but I reckon the big difference is not when they're in front of people, unless you're a real hardcore introvert, like the introverted introvert. I'm probably an extroverted introvert. So even though I'm an introvert, I can appear to be an extrovert when I'm in front of people. But the true test is what do they do when they recede and they disappear after an event? Are they bouncing around on cloud nine going, give me more of this? Or are they like, get me to my hotel room. I need to be by myself and just like decompress. So I'm the decompress guy. So once I've finished the event, I'm like, I need to be away from people because my batteries need to recharge. Whereas extroverted people, they're like, the battery's fully charged when they leave that room. I guess that's the big difference between me. So traveling alone's good because I get offers, come stay at my house. I'm like, actually, I'd love to catch up with you and do dinner and do all that. But at the end of everything, I just want to go to my hotel room and be just by myself. Because
the quiet time, the recovery time. Yeah. Okay. Well, and I guess, breakfast and morning is a good time. Most of the meetings are in the morning, aren't they? So that's a good time to get out there and get some connection. And then
that's true. Actually, in the US, Canada, their lunch meetings are the big meeting times. So, in Australia, mornings are our most popular, but in North America, it's lunch. So Dubai, actually, afternoons. They do afternoon events and stuff. So it's weird, all different times. But mornings, I like lunch meetings because I can sleep in the morning a little bit. I don't have to be out of bed at 6 o'clock in the morning. But either way, it's all good.
Yeah, great. Okay, well, I think that's all the questions I have for you. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
I just want to congratulate you on everything you do and have achieved. I've often said, like, I'm impressed with just what you're able to achieve and do, and where I see you. I saw you on Koshi's Business Builders not long ago, and that's Louise. And then you just continue to invest in yourself and getting yourself out there, and from PR courses that we're talking to our exclusive program, obviously. But you just continue to invest in yourself, and really, to me, someone that runs a great business already, but's continuing to learn, invest in themselves, to grow, to put themselves out there, and hits runs. I love it. I love seeing that success amongst business owners, and thumbs up to IT Lady and you, Louise, obviously, for all that you do, because you are a very impressive person, and it's always great to catch up and spend time with you.
Great, thank you very much, and I can put a lot of that praise back on you because I feel like you're very similar to everywhere all the time, all over the place, and run a great business that really allows so many people to connect and really increase their business. And I'm sure, I mean, I do work hard, but I do also go to a fair amount of networking, and I really love the opportunity of being able to get away from the office and talk to other business owners and other small business owners about what's happening within their business, because it's hard and lonely quite often. I'm surrounded by people in my office, but we're talking about business and clients and what needs to be done. Whereas when I go to networking, it's really connecting with people who are in the same position. And it's really, I'm really grateful that you have provided all of us the opportunity. And particularly in our North Sydney group, we have such a great group of people who are really connected and understand each other's businesses, and we all, we help each other out. And so it's nice to have that, that camaraderie with businesses similar to ours.